Everyone, my name is Samira Gonzalez, and this is my Week 7 discussion board for MPA 580, Legal and Ethical Issues in Public Sector. During this week's discussion board, I will go through or provide a brief overview of what my final paper will be for the course. And the sections that I will discuss are the agency's code of ethics, training, the difference between the compliance and value-based training and how to frame value-based training, as well as include some theoretical frameworks that we've learned throughout the course, and provide recommendations on future training for the agency of choice. A code of ethics are a set of values, ethical principles, and ethical standards that are set forth for individuals for a particular organization. And basically, it is in a public administration is how is understanding how to treat those individuals with fairness, with justice, and equality. The agency that I chose to focus in on my final paper for this course is LAHSA. They're also known as Los Angeles Homeless Services Authorities, and their main principle is to coordinate housing and service for homeless families and individuals. Pertains to compliance versus value-based training for this organization. Compliance, just from a definition standpoint, compliance training is a process of educating employees on law, regulations, and company policy, whereas value-based is used to help master communication skills such as active listening, strategic questioning, etc. So some of the compliance-based training that is currently being used is understanding civil rights, clients' rights, as well as ethical equality or the boundaries of that. And for value-based is result-oriented communication, microaggression, and burnout prevention. So from a theoretical framework, I would say that all theorists in which we've learned throughout this course are key, from the natural law of understanding the religion of what is right and wrong, to Kant's and looking at his categorical emphasis on saying that religion does not really determine what's right and wrong. It's kind of internal to you. You know what's right and wrong. As well as Benton and Mills in their utilitarianism, which says that humans are motivated by pleasure and pain. So there's like consequences behind what you do, and you know that. Hobbes with his contractualitarianism, which states that if you have a group of individuals put together, they can form a common understanding to get something passed. And ultimately, Aristotle with his virtue of theory, which is basically honesty, integrity, trustworthiness, and so on. All of these key theories are important in the work that LAHSA does because you're dealing with humans. You're dealing with someone who is experiencing homelessness, who may have that may suffer from health issues, from mental health issues to others. So having a mind frame and knowing that that integrity and having that being embedded within you is key, as well as having the wherewithal of knowing that grouping together of individuals to come forth with a strategic plan is also important. In conclusion, I would recommend training along the lines of staff at LAHSA understanding additional grants that can be used to assist those individuals, maybe grant writing, as well as understanding policy and how to get policy pushed through government. So this concludes my presentation for week 7. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.